Good afternoon, everybody. Liz Giesland here, Better Lifestyle Solutions. I'm so sorry I missed Monday. It was a really busy day, a super fun day. I had a lunch and learn at our clubhouse and had 8 fabulous ladies that were there and had a great lunch. They all learned some new things from both myself and my wonderful friend Anne. And so it was busy, but I did miss being here and doing cooking class. So I'm not going to do cooking class. You know, Wednesday is the day that I usually go over things, some sort of a solution, some sort of a product, something that works. And also, for those of you that are watching, I'm going to have a little surprise at the end, so stay tuned. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll tell you, these are some items that I keep in my pantry all the time. Now, I am going to apologize because some of these come from Costco. In fact, most of them do. And if you don't have a Costco, I apologize. But I know that they also sell certain ones. And as I go over them, I'll tell you that if you can get them at the store. This here is called Kodiak Cakes Power Cakes. This I know you can get in the grocery store. I don't think that it's in this big of a box, but this is great. It is one of the ingredients that I use in my lemon zucchini protein muffins that I make, that I did post the recipe here. This is fabulous. And they also have on here different recipes to make pancakes in different levels of protein level, and they're really quite good. My mom and Steve, they're not as crazy about these. I think they're delicious and just a really good healthy option than just your regular Aunt Jemima buttermilk, which of course, you know, those are delicious too. But these are actually better for you. So that's a good thing to have on hand. This, my mom is actually the one that told me about this. This is Pamela's. Now I've cut, okay, her name is down here. This is a gluten-free pancake and baking mix. And I make gluten-free muffins as well, and I will post that at some point. It might be in a blog post. I'll keep you all posted on that. These are delicious. Now, because they're a little bit higher carbohydrate, but not bad. It's all, you know, it's with brown rice flour, white rice flour, some tapioca starch, sweet rice flour, and potato starch. So, but this is a really nice product to use for things that you would make you know, pancakes or baked goods with. And then again, they have some great tips and stuff on the back too. So this is a good thing to have on hand. It's always nice when you have a few things in the pantry and you think, okay, what can I whip up? Now, you've heard me talk about quinoa. I'm such a quinoa freak. I love it. And if you have a Costco, it is the place to get it. It is so much cheaper. This is a 4.5 pound bag. It's $8.99. And I was just glancing at the grocery store the other day when I was there, and I saw a little itty bitty bag, and it was like $7.99. I said, you've got to be kidding. Highway robbery. So this is, if you can get it at, you get at Costco, this is wonderful, wonderful, okay? Organic, delish. And then I did do a live way back in the beginning, I think early part of December, about the difference between the chia seeds, hemp hearts, and flaxseed. These are things, guys, keep them in your pantry. They're just the things that you can add them to that are just going to give you more nutrition. It's just really handy to have. So again, here's the chia seeds. I did get these. These I got at Costco. And they're just so good for you, so good for you. And then, of course, the hemp hearts. And, of course, both the chia seeds and the hemp hearts are in those lemon zucchini muffins that I make. Okay, hemp hearts, also at Costco. Then again, all of these products you'll be able to find at a regular store. Some of them you might actually even be able to get in bulk at either a Fresh Thyme, a Whole Foods, or such. So it's worth taking a look. This milled flaxseed, I think I told you when I did the other video, this I got at Aldi's. So this was, you know, great, and it wasn't expensive. And this is the milled flaxseed. So whole flax seeds you will need to grind. So if you do have access to the whole, just use that little grinder. I think that I did show you for in one of the tool videos that I did that shows how to grind the seeds if you would like. Well, you will need to. Okay, the meal, you need to have it in a meal form to really use. Okay, so that's really the pantry items for today. And what I'm also going to incorporate is, today, is Wealth Wednesday. I still have a little trip I need to take to the grocery store when I'm finished here, and I have an idea what I'm going to do for somebody. I think I'm going to buy some flowers and then maybe just see somebody in the checkout line and just give them some flowers. I think that would be sort of fun, cheer them up. It's really cold and really icky, and the roads are kind of slick, and so I think that might cheer somebody up. But the other thing, and I just came up with this idea, and I have to figure out really how to make it work, and maybe you all can help me. But I decided I want to give away a free 30-minute, coaching or consulting, or can I plan your menus for a week? Some sort of a giveaway for everybody. But what I need to do is figure out, and I think this is going to work, how to be able to capture those of you that want to do it. If you are interested, please write in the comments, let's see, live better. Write live better in the comments, and then send me a private message. And that way, I'm going to put, if there's just one of you, well, then you get it. But, put your name in, and I'll do a drawing. And I would love to do that because I love to teach, and we'll do it either on Zoom or Skype, on the phone. I don't, whatever way will work for the two of us. But I think that would be a fun thing to do. And so we'll see. I'm just playing by the flying here. So that I think is my program for today. Kind of quick and short, but I wanted to get it in. I missed doing Monday, and I'll see you again on Friday. But please, if you're interested and you want to have a half an hour free, pick Liz's brain. Gee, if I wanted to be a personal chef, or how can I get my kitchen more organized? What, can you do a week's worth of recipes or menus for me? I'll do it. I so enjoy helping and trying to provide value for all of you. So I appreciate you all watching, and thanks again for being here. And once again, like I always say, be good to each other, and remember, live better. Love you all. I'll see you Friday. Don't forget, live better in the comments, and then just send me a private message, and we'll do it. Okay? Bye-bye.